In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter in your Nissan Armada. Located on the passenger side of the vehicle behind the glove box, let's get started. Moving inside of the vehicle, we're going to locate the glove box. We're going to go right underneath it, and there's going to be a panel that we're going to be removing. You can simply grab onto it and just pop it off. We don't need to completely remove it. We just need access to the 3 bolts that we'll need to remove next. Using a T15, we're going to be removing these 3 bolts that are located right underneath it. Go ahead and take those out. Now we can go ahead and open the glove box. And we're going to see there's going to be 3 bolts right on the top. We're going to be removing that with the same tool we used previously. After you remove those, you can go ahead and close the glove box again. You can grab it from the bottom and unclip it. You're going to have a connector right on the top. Go ahead and remove it. And slide the glove box out of the way. Go ahead and move this connector out of the way. Now we have access to the lid that covers the cabin filter. You're going to have 2 taps on either side. You're going to squeeze and slide the lid out. After removing this lid, if you have issues removing the cabin filter, I like to use a plastic trim tool. You can go ahead and grab onto it from the top, and this is going to help you slide it out. Go ahead and take it out, and here's the old one. Before we install the new filter, you just want to take a look, make sure that there's no debris or anything in there. If there is any, go ahead and vacuum it out, or you can easily just access it with your hand. In this case, this is clean, so we're going to go ahead and install the filter. You want to pay attention to the new filter. You're going to see it's going to have an arrow. You're going to look on all the corners. The arrow goes pointing downwards. So we're going to go ahead and slide it the same way the old one came out. Make sure that it's all the way in. Go ahead and install the lid. Make sure you're clipped on both sides. And now we can get the glove box back on. Go ahead and grab the connector we put away previously. You're going to bring the glove box close to it. Go ahead and plug it in. After you plug it in, go ahead and line up the glove box. And push it in. Now that we have the glove box in place, go ahead and open it. And now we can go ahead and reinstall the 3 bolts that go on the top. Go ahead and get them snug. Do not over tighten. This will strip easily. Go ahead and close the glove box, and now we can install the 3 on the bottom. Go ahead and install the ones on the bottom. And now get them snug. Now go ahead and clip this cover back on. And that'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.